Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. Today, we're having a green day. Algo is up 20%, Render is up 11%, Quant is up 7%. Altcoins coming back, whereas in times of life in the altcoin market on the monthly time frame. Even though right now you see extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market, was hitting record levels of pessimism every day in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades around $66,000. Ethereum still trades just above $2,000. Why should we still be bearish in the market? Why is there extreme bearishness in the market? Talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. You want to become a legend? If you want to become a member, don't forget, guys, link in the description. Let's get down to business. Let's start with liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. The last 24 hours has seen more than 160,000 traders getting liquidated, with a total liquidation coming in around $299 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. A trader was liquidated for $17.27 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to get liquidated before the main event starts. You want to avoid liquor, you want to avoid leverage, and you want to avoid ladies if you want to win the game we're playing. The Q1 of 2026 saw Bitcoin going down by 22%. Q1 of 2026 saw Ethereum going down by 29%. Right now in Q2 of 2026, Bitcoin is down 2.39%, Ethereum is down 2.37%, with Bitcoin breaking that negative consecutive and downwards price action. We saw Bitcoin negative in October, November, December, January, and February. And thankfully, March ended in the positive for Ethereum. It was 6 consecutive months of negative price action, with March finally ending in the positive. Extreme fear is gripping the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared to the teeth. There's record levels of pessimism. We're expecting lower prices. If you're following consensus, you hear there's one more leg down, and this time is not different. Historically, we have seen markets dump to goblin town when market participants are scared. But that's not what always happens in reality. When market participants are this scared, it's always a buying opportunity. When market participants are this scared, that's when the bull market starts. The bull market doesn't start when everybody's singing Kumbaya, we're going to the moon. The bull market actually starts when there's deep extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, when a lot of altcoins are down bad, and when the vibes is no more altcoin season. But that's when you have to pay attention. That's where most of the money is made, deep in the bear market. If you look at Ethereum, the king of all coins, right now it's consolidating below its 200-week moving average, with around for Ethereum, 200-week moving average for Ethereum right now, it's around the $2,400 region. Ethereum is consolidating below it. The main signal is coming from Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, has a special relationship with the 200-week moving average. And for Bitcoin, anything below the 200-week moving average, it's always a good time to buy. The previous bear market was the proof. Bitcoin going below the 200-week moving average during COVID sell-off was approved. Bitcoin consolidating below the 200, above the 200 moving average in 2018 was approved. That anytime Bitcoin is heading towards that region, that's always a good buying opportunity. Right now, Bitcoin's 200-week moving average sits at the $59,000 level. And remember, the lowest we have seen Bitcoin's price trade since when the decline started in October has been around $60,000. So we have some market participants that are making an argument that there's always a possibility that Bitcoin is going to head towards that $60,000 level back. We're going to see Bitcoin trade there at some point in time. But then you have to remember, on the longer term view, historically, this has always been a good time to buy Bitcoin. The closer it is to its 200-week moving average, the better the buying opportunity. So even if we come down to the $60,000 level, that'll still not be nothing to write home about from where we're currently trading. For Bitcoin to dump towards $60,000, Bitcoin needs to dump by 8%. And knowing how volatile the market can be, an 8% dump can happen in 24 hours. But then there's the upside where Bitcoin could easily rally to higher prices, getting towards $100,000 at some point in time in 2023. For Bitcoin to get to $100,000, we're going to see it rallying up by more than 51% from where we're currently trading. 51% versus 8%, where will you place your bet? We can easily dump 8% back to the 200-week moving average, but then we can easily see a big pump to the upside, taking Bitcoin towards $100,000 at some point in time in 2026. Look at Bitcoin dominance. That's one metric I've been paying attention to. I believe Bitcoin dominance is going to dump at some point in time towards 51%, maybe even lower than 51%. Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 58%. If we see all coins start going crazy, we see the rally, a relief rally in the cryptocurrency market with all coins outperforming Bitcoin. Expect to see Bitcoin dominance dumping, and that dump will be fast. That dump will catch a lot of market participants off guard. Historically, guys, when we see Bitcoin dominance dumping, we are usually at the end of the market cycle. When we see a Bitcoin dominance dumping, we see all coins going crazy. But unfortunately, that's when market participants start getting excited. That's when they think the bull run is starting. That's when they think we're going to be going to the moon. Just like in 2021, that was the end of the cycle. But most market participants got in thinking, you know what, this time is different. We're going to the moon. We're starting something great, not knowing that was the end of a 4-year cycle. Look at total cryptocurrency market cap, currently sitting around the $2.28 trillion level. So total cryptocurrency market cap come towards the 200-week moving average when it dumped for early February of 2026. Even if we dump back to the 200-week moving average for the total cryptocurrency market cap, we're going to find support around that $2 trillion level, and that was the total cryptocurrency market cap dumping by around 9% from where we're currently trading. But then again, just like for Bitcoin, there's the upside. We could also see the total crypto market cap head back towards $4 trillion, pumping up by more than 70 to 80% from where we are currently trading. You never want to say never in the altcoin market. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. I believe right now we're in one extreme where the crowd is expecting lower prices in unison, where we're hearing talks about how we're going to bottom in October Q4 of 2026. But remember, guys, Q4 of 2025 was supposed to be the most bullish time for all coins. Was supposed to be where we pumped to new all-time highs. We all sing kumbaya. Yes, Bitcoin went to new all-time highs in Q4 of 2025. But then after that, we have seen a huge dump to gobbling town for the altcoin market and for a lot for Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin itself is down 51% since then. The crowds were very, very optimistic then in October of 2025 that will continue pumping to higher prices. The market took the opposite direction. Ethereum is still outperforming Bitcoin, which is a very, very good sign. Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin's 200-week moving average sits around the $0.049 level. If Bitcoin is going to head towards if Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin and see it head towards that 200 moving average, we expect to see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin by about 60%. The market is set up, in my opinion, guys, for all coins to pump. If you look at total cryptocurrency market cap, excluding Bitcoin, that has been sitting around this 200-week moving average, consolidating there. The next big move to the upside, you see it attempting to break to new all-time highs. Maybe we'll finally get that $2 trillion mark for the total cryptocurrency market cap, excluding Bitcoin. I believe we can head towards $2 trillion. It's just a matter of patience. It's just a matter of time before we pump towards that big price level. If we look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, the last 7 days has seen Bitcoin lost 2.82%. Ethereum is basically trading where it was trading the last 7 days. XRP is down 3%, BNB is down 6%, Solana is down 7%, Dogecoin is down 1.3%, and we have Hyperliquid down 8% over the last 7 days. How bullish are you on the cryptocurrency market, guys? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bullish do you expect these altcoins to go? A lot of market participants are bearish right now in the altcoin market. The US Israel Iran war is still ongoing. I believe till we get some sets of settlements there, the market will still be on the edge. News stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Cycle to launch Cycle BTC wrapped Bitcoin, challenging Bitcoin. Coinbase, Bitcoin miners riot sold 3,700 Bitcoins during Q1 amidst broader market pressure. New York price low on the table until 76K becomes support. There's still going to be fear in the cryptocurrency market till we tag above that $76,000. There's still going to be a lot of jitteries going around the market till we comfortably see Bitcoin start clearing the $80,000 level. Stablecoin supply reaches $315 billion in Q1 as USDC rise and USDT declines. Rocky US economy, private credit stress, war impact Bitcoin odds for a 75K rally. That's the main level most market participants are watching out for, the 75 to the $76,000 level. We saw Bitcoin almost rallying past $76,000 just as early as March of 2026. At that price level, you see optimism start returning back to cryptocurrency market. At that price level, it will feel like we're breaking out of this consolidation range from where we're currently trading right now towards the $76,000 level. We need to see Ethereum. We need to see Ethereum and Bitcoin rallying up by more than 15% to the upside. And we can easily do that 15% pump in 24 hours. So you have to be at alert. You never want to keep your eyes off the price. Ethereum at rates of new 2026 lows if both fail to turn $2,400 into support. Bitcoin miner Soluna acquires $53 million wind farm to power AI facility. Coinbase received conditional approval for US trust charter. Bitcoin holders face $600 billion in unrealized losses as Bitcoin skips towards $66,000. And Bitcoin hit weekly lows on oil fears as analysts tease 10K BTC price targets. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. We're very, very close to an altcoin month. An altcoin month is where we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin on a 30-day time frame. We're very close to an altcoin season. Are you buying Bitcoin? Are you buying altcoins? What do you see in store for the cryptocurrency market over the next few days and the next few weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.